Welcome everybody to Sound Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm going to show you the main preset to Eminem's Remind Me intro, produced by Thuron Filmster, also known as neff-u. It is off the Revival album. The preset is an atmosphere, and the preset is called Gospel Choir Woes. And that was the preset to Eminem's Remind Me intro. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or requests, leave a comment in the video. Check out our social media for any Sound Searching news. This has been Sound Searching, and I'm out.